Welcome to Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr. Happy Yoga is designed to bring you the beauty of Mother Nature as we take time to bring more balance into our mind, body, and breath. Enjoy the brilliant ocean sunset as you experience a gentle yoga session using a chair for support, including easy-to-follow yoga moves designed to release tension and create more mobility and flexibility in your shoulders and neck. Relax and remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste. Namaste. Let's begin our practice focusing on three-part breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. And on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine. Breathing in and out through your nose. Adding the second part, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale from your belly to your ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. Exhale belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice. Beginning with a shoulder roll on the right side, lift your right shoulder up, back, down, and around. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Lift your right shoulder up, forward, down, and around, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Lift your left shoulder up, back, down, and around. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. Release. Lift both shoulders up, back, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Continue breathing deeply as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around. Release, adding a diagonal stretch. Reach your right hand towards your left thigh and open diagonally to the right, stretching across your chest. Continue flowing with this movement of expansion, wrapping it around your breath. Inhale, sitting tall, open wide. Exhale, reach across your body. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Inhale, reach your left arm open wide, broadening across your chest. Exhale, reach your left hand across your body, creating more space between your shoulder blades and upper back. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, touch your fingertips to your shoulders and extend your arms forward, shoulder height, palms facing upward. Continue with this movement, keeping your shoulders relaxed, increasing circulation and mobility in your upper body. Open your arms wide, palms facing upward, and continue with this movement. Touch your fingertips to your shoulders and open your arms wide once again. Pause with your fingertips to your shoulders. Touch your elbows front, lift up, open wide, touch front. Continue with this movement, stretching through your shoulders, chest, and upper back. Reverse directions. Touch your elbows front, open wide, lift up, touch front. Pausing, maintain your fingertips to your shoulders with your elbows wide. Lift your elbows up and lower, keeping your shoulders relaxed, moving at your own pace, creating more mobility in your shoulders and upper back. Release, returning to center. Reach your arms forward, shoulder height. Touch your fingertips front and open wide. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. Inhale to open, exhale to close, moving at your own pace. Pausing with your arms open wide. Rotate your right palm back and away. Bending at the elbow, sweep your right hand behind your back and extend once again. Continue with this movement, increasing mobility and flexibility in your shoulder joint. Pause with your right arm extended. Repeating to the opposite side, rotate your left palm back and away. Bending at the elbow, sweep your left hand behind your back and extend once again. Continue with this movement, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Release, transitioning back to the right side. With your right palm facing forward, bending at the elbow, sweep the right hand behind your head and extend once again. Continue with this mobility movement, resting when you need to. Pausing with your right arm extended, repeat this movement to the opposite side. Extend your left arm shoulder height, palm facing forward, and bend at your elbow, sweeping behind your head. Pause with both arms extended, combining these two mobility moves together. Rotate both palms back and away, sweep behind your back and extend. Rotate both palms forward, sweep behind your head and extend. Continue alternating, rotating your palms forward and back, moving slowly and gently. Release. Inhale, sweep your arms forward and up. Exhale, lower your arms out to the sides, making small circles. Continue sitting tall, wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, sweep your arms forward and up. And with each exhale, lower your arms out to your sides, making small circles, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and return to center, transitioning into a lateral neck stretch. Sitting tall, reach your right arm away as you relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. Point and flex through your right hand, bending at your wrist, feeling a stretch through your wrist, hand, shoulder, and neck. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder. As you reach your left arm away, point and flex through your left hand, bending at your wrist. Release and return to center. Inhale, reach your right arm forward and up. Exhale, reach your right arm out and down, turning your head in the opposite direction, chin in slightly. Draw your head back to center. Inhale, reach your right arm forward and up. Exhale, sweep your right arm out and down, turning your head in the opposite direction. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Inhale, reach your left arm forward and up. Exhale, sweep out and down, turning your head in the opposite direction. Continue with this movement, creating more mobility and flexibility in your neck and shoulders. Release and return to center. Transitioning into modified cat-cow stretch, placing your hands to thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, tilt your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, lifting through your heart for a mild back bend. And with each exhale, lengthen your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back and neck. Release and return to center. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around your eyes, behind your eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes and gently focus on your breath, allowing it to be easy and natural. Stay connected to your breath as you consciously relax your body, relaxing your jaw, your eyes, forehead, shoulders, relaxing your entire body. Continue breathing deeply, growing as spacious as possible, absorbing the beauty and ease of this moment as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like, and when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath, adding some gentle movement, waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.
After filming over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr for public television, we're proud to present Happy Yoga on Demand. Over the last 10 years of teaching chair yoga, Sarah Starr has become the foremost expert in creating accessible yoga practices. And with this online streaming service, you're able to have access to the entire Happy Yoga catalog, including all the Happy Yoga episodes, live audio yoga classes, breath, and meditation.
Each portal provides you with a customized experience, including our accessible yoga portal, featuring our gentle yoga programs for anyone who wants to know how to start a practice, or if regular yoga just seems like too much, but still want to receive the benefits of yoga without getting out of your chair. Also included are the Mastering Balance programs, which allow you to experience seated and standing postures to strengthen your core, increase stability, balance, and muscle tone using a chair for support. From there, you have the option to take your practice to the yoga mat. If you've been doing accessible yoga and are looking for more of a challenge, our Intermediate Yoga Portal provides you with a dynamic yoga practice with a variety of sessions, allowing you to grow your practice at your own pace. Whether you're new to yoga or looking for inspiration to grow your practice, we have a yoga session for you. Visit happyyogaondemand.com.